Alright, today's assignment is 3.9, Designing an App Part 4. You're going to do steps 6 and 7 on your Unit 3 project, but you're going to start off with this prompt. It says, think of times when you've received helpful feedback on schoolwork, a hobby, or a sport. What makes good feedback and what makes bad feedback? I think we can all agree that something that's vague or very general does not help. Something that is specific and helpful in a positive way is the best kind of feedback. So make sure that if you guys are giving feedback or getting feedback, you want it to be specific. You want to say exactly what is wrong or exactly what you love about the app. Make sure it's a positive, constructive. We're not trying to tear people down. We're trying to build people up and try to help them make their apps better. So keep that in mind. Here's what I want you guys to do. You guys are going to go to code.org on lesson 9. You're going to go add more code. So you guys are going to finish coding your screens. It shouldn't take too long because you shouldn't have too many screens, 3 to 4 screens. Once you get done coding it, you guys are going to click this share button at the top. So when I share it, it gives me a link. I want to click the link and copy it. I'd go to my email and then I would email that to two people in my class, and basically you're going to write an email. So let's email and we'll say here's my link, and on the email I would say the purpose of my app and how it works. Okay, so you guys are going to need to write those two things. Tell them the purpose of your app, tell them how it works, and you're going to send it to 2 people in your class. If you guys are BOL, you can send it to 2 people that you know in these classes. If not, you can ask a parent, any kind of family member. After you get some feedback, you guys are going to open up the Unit 3 project worksheet. You guys are going to put these questions down. So you're going to ask them, you're going to put their name, you're going to write down some things that could be improved based upon what their feedback was, and some improvements that this person recommends. And then on step 7, you're going to pick at least one improvement you plan to make based on the feedback you collected and write your improvement here. If you've got 2, you can write 2, that's fine. But after you guys do that, you guys can go back to your app and make those improvements. And that will be the steps for 6 and 7 on designing part 4. All we'll have left is to do the reflections, and I will put a video up for that tomorrow.